Welcome to Mindful Growth Studio, your daily step towards a better you. This morning, we'll guide you through a gratitude meditation, one of the most powerful ways to start your day on a positive note. Gratitude helps you appreciate what you already have, which lays the foundation for attracting even more love, wealth, health, and joy into your life. Let's take this time to cultivate an attitude of gratitude and set a positive tone for the day ahead. Whether you're still in bed or already up, find a comfortable position where you can fully focus on this meditation. If needed, take a moment to stretch your arms, your legs, your neck, your shoulders. Wake up your mind and body gently, preparing yourself for the day with a sense of gratitude. Now take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Again, a big inhale and exhale. Let the music guide you as your mind clears and your body relaxes. Right now, this is your oasis of peace. A moment to focus entirely on what you are grateful for. What are you grateful for? Let's begin with you. Are you grateful for your 5 senses, your ability to see, hear, smell, taste, and touch? If one of these senses is absent or different, can you find a hidden strength or unique perspective in that? What else comes to mind? What about the space you're in right now? Are you in bed, on a couch, outdoors in fresh air? Wherever you are, take a moment to appreciate your surroundings. Are you safe, comfortable, relaxed? That is a blessing worth savoring. Now think about the people in your life, family, friends, colleagues, your community. Choose a few specific people you're truly grateful for. What do you appreciate about them? Perhaps even consider how the things they do that might challenge or frustrate you are actually helping you grow. How about your work or livelihood? Do you have a job or a way to generate income? Even if you feel neutral or conflicted about it, can you find something to appreciate in the opportunities or stability it provides? Now turn your focus inward to yourself. What are your unique gifts, talents, or personality traits that you can embrace and appreciate. Even the quirks, those aspects of you that maybe not everyone understands, can you find gratitude for them? Think about the skills you've developed, the talents you've cultivated, or the goals you've pursued. These are a part of who you are. Take a moment to reflect on and fully appreciate what makes you uniquely you. Now let that gratitude deepen. Take another slow inhale and exhale. Breathe in appreciation and exhale any tension. Let gratitude wash over you. Are you not truly blessed right now, in this very moment? Take a moment to consider anything you might have missed. What's something or someone you haven't thought of in a while but could feel thankful for? And as you reflect, know this: you are a unique individual. No one else on this planet, past or present, has ever been exactly like you. Your qualities, your experiences, your gifts are yours alone. Be grateful for who you are right now, in this moment. Life has brought you to this point, and it is good. Feel the goodness within you and radiating outwards. Feels good, doesn't it? Take another deep breath in and exhale slowly. Once more, in and out. Whenever you need a boost of gratitude, return to this meditation to remind yourself of all the gifts in your life. Let this feeling of thankfulness accompany you throughout the day, this unique, one-of-a-kind day filled with potential. I know it's going to be fruitful. I know it's going to be amazing. You've taken the time to focus on yourself and your blessings, and that energy will guide you forward. Now go forth and have an incredible day. Namaste.